In this video we are going to talk about top 5 ways to make money with a drone. So before starting the video, please like this video. Do subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. UAV technology is quite developed these days, and as a result of this, there is a broad range of great drones on the market. Most people usually use these drones just to have fun, to enjoy flying and to take photos or make aerial videos. However, there are various ways that drones could also be used to make money. Are you curious to find out how to make money with a drone? We believe you are. The possibilities to make money with drones are quite numerous if you are creative enough. However, you need to explore local regulations regarding the drone flying before you start, since there are certain limitations in every country. In many countries, including the US, UK and India, you need a license to legally earn money with a drone. So before you head out and try to make some cash, be sure to check up on the law first. So we have compiled for you the list of top 5 ways to make money with a drone. 1. Earn money selling aerial photos and footage. Selling aerial photos and videos to people is one of the most prevalent ways to make money with drones. Drone photography may be a lucrative business, and it is becoming increasingly popular. If you want to accomplish this job, you'll need a drone with a high-quality camera capable of taking crystal-clear high-quality videos and photographs from the air. You could use a drone with a GoPro camera that records 4 Kelvin's Ultra HD video. Both exterior and indoor footage may be captured with these drones. When it comes to pursuing this business, there are 2 common possibilities. The first step is to locate interesting and unusual locations, such as scenic areas with beautiful landscapes, tourist attractions, or well-known landmarks. On the other side, you can commission custom aerial footage and photography. In either case, using social networking sites to market your images is a fantastic idea. You'll be in an excellent position to advertise your business if you can show that your images are in high demand. Launching your own YouTube channel and posting the films shot by your drone is another way to make money with aerial footage. To begin making money online, upload your drone footage to your YouTube channel and join the website's partnership program. This will allow you to obtain a large number of subscribers who will follow your work. 2. Aerial wedding videography and photography. Wedding photography and videography is a popular and, more significantly, profitable profession. Because the competition in this field is fierce, you must provide one-of-a-kind wedding movies and images shot from an amazing perspective. People desire amazing wedding images that will remind them of their special day for the rest of their lives. Why not make use of your drone for this? Here are some tips on how to get success at this job. You should fly your drone as near to the event as possible. Do not fly a drone straight over the guests because you may inadvertently injure or frighten them. While flying a drone, find the optimal angle for taking images or filming footage. Choose an outdoor wedding site in a beautiful area where you can take advantage of the beautiful environment. Following these tips will set you apart from other wedding videographers, photographers, and you may even take some of their clients. All you have to do is get a sophisticated tiny drone and a high-resolution camera to go with it, and practice every day. Start your business from there, and make sure to acquire referrals from all of your happy customers. 3. Reselling drones. Reselling is the next business that can help you make money. In fact, any strategy that works for reselling other items will also work with drones. You should buy the popular new drone models at one price and then sell them to your consumers at a higher price. This can be accomplished through an online store, online marketplaces, or even your own drone store. All you have to do now is discover a source that sells drones at a reasonable price. Examine the drones available on big internet retailers such as Amazon and eBay. Drones can be sold in a variety of ways, and the key is to discover the one that works best for you. However, if you conduct adequate competitive analysis and settle on your offering, the drone business may prove to be quite lucrative. 4. Inspection jobs. Many utility companies have been inspecting electricity lines, remote substations, pumping stations, and other such installations with helicopters and airplanes for years. It was perilous for the pilots to get to these locations, and it was also highly expensive. Drones have shown to be extremely handy in recent years when it comes to inspection work. These little unmanned aerial vehicles have been replacing other aircraft because they are equipped with strong cameras and video transmitters. They can get to the water or gas outlets quickly and easily, as well as capture high-quality video footage. This is extremely beneficial to utility providers during routine inspections and damage assessments. Drones are frequently used by construction and insurance firms, to name a few. Asphalt repair and resurfacing companies, for example, may use a well-equipped drone with a 4K camera to evaluate its prospect's premises. Small drones are also utilized for power line inspections, cell tower inspections, gas pipeline and oil inspections, roof inspections, and other purposes. All of these occupations offer a wonderful opportunity to make money with a drone. Through good advertising and networking, it is critical to make these companies aware of your service. 5. Advertise real estates, resorts, hotel and more. Yes, a drone is an excellent instrument for successful advertising. If you're a self-employed filmmaker with a lot of drone experience, you can make money advertising real estate, resorts, and hotels, among other things. Drone-captured aerial films may help private estates sell faster and for a higher price. Small drones with high-resolution cameras are also employed for aerial video footage of hotels and resorts, in addition to real estate videos. It's a great method to flaunt and promote a certain hotel, say, one that's in a prime location on a property. This will make the specific resort hotel more appealing to visitors and potential clients. People are more likely to book a hotel if they can see the entire property from their room. When you want to sell something, you need a compelling advertisement that makes you stand out from the competition. Thus, it is very important to make an impressive ad that will attract the attention of people. So that's it for today's video. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know in comments section below. If you enjoyed the video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification before you go. Thank you so much for watching.